If two apartments have the exact same size, same building, same price, they should be worth the same, right? Well, that's not always the case. In this video, we'll explain why two apartments with the same configurations can end up with two different values and how to spot one that actually performs better. This is where most buyers go wrong. They focus on the obvious: bedroom, bathroom, and price. And on paper, two apartments can look identical. But in reality, they can perform very differently in rental demand and resale value. If you're only comparing the layout and price, you're not actually making a true comparison. Let's start with one of the biggest factors, the position of the building. Floor level matters. High floor generally means there's more natural light, less noise, and stronger long-term demand. But it's not just about the height. View plays a huge role too. An apartment facing a park, water, or open skyline will almost always outperform one looking at another building. The orientation also impacts your apartment's value. A north-facing apartment, for example, will usually get better natural light throughout the day. That makes it more desirable when it comes to selling. Next is how the apartment actually feels to live in. Two apartments can be the exact same size but feel completely different. It comes down to the layout and usable space. Is the living area open and functional, or tight and awkward? Do you get good natural light, or does it feel dark during the day? Is it proper airflow, or does it feel closed in? These are the things tenants and future buyers notice immediately. Better livability almost always means stronger demand over time. Now let's look at the features that separate one apartment from another. First, car spaces. In high-density areas, a secure car space can make a huge difference. It's not just about the convenience, it directly impacts rental appeal and resale. Parking is often a deal breaker, especially where street parking is limited. If you've got a secure space, it's easier to rent out, attracts more tenants, and can even achieve a higher weekly rent. Then there's storage. A separate storage cage can be essential. Many apartments don't have a lot of extra space, so having somewhere to put luggage or bulky items make a huge difference. It's a very small feature, but it can noticeably improve both rental demand and a buyer's interest. Even within the same building, one apartment might have an easier parking access or even a better storage, while another one doesn't. This can drastically impact the value of the apartment and the appeal of its potential buyers or renters. So far, we've looked at more visibility factors, but this is where risk really comes into play. Two apartments may look completely identical, but the building itself can tell a different story. Starting with defects. Are there cracks, water leaks, or ongoing issues with things like walls, ceilings, or building structure? These are the kind of problems that can become expensive very quickly. Then, check the strata report. Is the sinking fund healthy? Are there upcoming special levies that could put thousands out of your pocket? The developer and build quality is also a factor to consider. Some buildings are well structured and hold up over time, while others start to show issues within the first few years. All of this will directly impact your ongoing costs, your resale value, and how confident future buyers will feel about your property. So even if the two apartments look exactly the same, the risk might not be. Here's the bottom line. Apartments are not interchangeable. Two properties with the same configurations can deliver two completely different results. So it comes down to four things: position, livability, features, and risk. If you take these factors into account, you can make a far more accurate and confident comparison and assessments between these apartments. So before you choose an apartment, make sure you're looking beyond just the layout and the price. And if you're selling, understanding how your apartment truly compares can make a huge difference. At Tax, we provide independent property valuations to help give you that clarity. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more insights into property value and tax depreciation. See you next time.